Hello, today we'll be discussing the Learning Outcome 10.1 2-3 by Vanessa Garcia. So the nervous tissue is composed of two types of cells, which are the neurons and the glial cells. The neurons are pictured here on the left, and these are the most common, and they're responsible for the communication and computation of releasing chemical signals to target cells. The glial cells on the right are supporting cells of the neurons. So without these cells, the neurons wouldn't be able to function properly. And the word glia actually means glue in English, so it holds everything together. So within the glial cells, there are 6 types that are separated between the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, as the ones pictured on the right. So some of them coincide with one another, like the astrocytes, which is this star-shaped one, and the satellite cells in the peripheral nervous system. They actually are more of a supportive function for the neurons, and the astrocytes they nourish the neurons, but they also provide a barrier between the nervous tissue and the blood that's being pumped to the brain. And the oligodendrocytes and the Schwann cells are mostly for insulation and myelination. The microglia is used for the immune system and phagocytosis, and the ependymal cells are used for creating CSF. So the two major groups of the nervous system organs are the central nervous system, which goes with the brain and the spine, down here as it's put in orange, and the peripheral nervous system, which are the brains that branch off of the spinal cord. And these are each used to relay messages along the body, and like sensory neurons for like pain and action to be done. And this concludes my presentation. These are my sources.